A state of calamity is not enough. There has to be a state of emergency because there is no local government functioning. Yung inaasahan nila na police, army, pati mga social workers, taga-gobyerno, lahat sila biktima, lahat sila may patay. Pati police, pati army doon patay. So there is no city government functioning. Hindi naman ako pero as a Filipino, I have to say something. Ang mga patay na sa dalan, hindi ko malaman kung iiyak ako. I cannot shout in anger because you cannot be mad at anybody there. Walang barangay doon, walang gumagalaw. Ang mga tao parang zumbis naglalakad sa daan, humingi ng pagkain. Anak ka na. Sabi ko itong buhay na to. Ang katong akong gipada tong the other night, you were arrived Tacloban just this afternoon because they had to negotiate their way and may na sila, naigdaman sila dan. Ang atong 911 kompleto na i-cutter. So gikat na lagi hinay-hinay, nakaabot sila. I think we are the first, but I'm not saying that we are the only one who was helping.